Good morning, everyone. This is Soumyaranjan Lahak. Welcome to my channel Renu Ratna Patsala. So, first of all, I will say Happy Shivaratri to all of you. May Lord Shiva bless your family, and by the grace of God, you will be stay fit and healthy forever. So, in today's class, we are going to study about the keyword. What do you mean by keyword? What kind of keyword we are facing in Python? All these things we will learn in this video. So first, keyword. Keyword is a reserved word. Reserved word. Reserved word which is not defined by the user. It is predefined. Means during the invention it was developed. So basically keyword is a reserved word or reserved word. It is a reserved word which have some specific function. Specific function. It means a designed for specific purpose or it has specific function. Next point, there are 36 type of keyword. According to the latest version of Python, there are 36 type of keyword. How many types? 36 types of keyword. So new keyword which is added in latest version is peg parser keyword. Full form of peg. Sometimes it written in uppercase, all three letter written in uppercase and all three letter written in lowercase sometime. So sometimes it written like it, sometimes it written like it. Don't get confused. The full form of PEG is parsing expression grammar. So we got the basic idea about the keyword. Keyword is a reserved word. It is not user defined. It was developed by the developer, and currently there are 36 type of keyword and new keyword which is added in latest version, that is peg parser. Peg's full form is parsing expression grammar. And one more thing I will tell, among the 36 keyword only 3 keyword has started from capital letter or uppercase. So write down, I will next I will write which 3 word started from capital letter. True, false and no. These 3 keywords started from capital letter. Started from uppercase. And Python is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. These three words also known as value keywords. It also known as value keyword. So keyword is a reservoir which is defined by the developer, not by the user. It is not user defined, it is predefined. Keyword is case sensitive. There are 36 type of keyword. Latest keyword or new keyword which is added in latest version is peg parser. Peg full form is parsing expression grammar, and these three keyword which is also known as value keyword started from the uppercase. So I will write 36 keyword right now. So have a look. First keyword is true. Second keyword is false. Third keyword is non, which is also known as value keyword. Fourth keyword is and. Fifth keyword is or. Sixth keyword is not. Seventh keyword is. Eighth keyword is in. Ninth keyword is for. Next keyword is while. Break. Continue. Return. Yield. Def. Pass. Class. Lambda. Async. Await. Accept. Try. Accept. Reach. Finally. Assert. With. Elif. If. Else. Delete. Global. Global. 32. Non-local. Import. From. Age. And 36 number is PG person. So these are the 36 keyword which is already explained by me. True, false, non, and like other keywords. So in latest version, peg parser is the new keyword which is added, and there are three keyword which has started from capital letter because Python is a case sensitive. So true, false, non. These three keywords started from uppercase and remaining keywords are started from lowercase. So write down all these keywords. I think it will help you in your exam. So thank you. Have a great day. We will meet in next class with rest of the part. Do like, share and subscribe. And again, happy Shivaratri to all of you.